feel that the European and American itineraries on Klook are often not clearly written or rely too much on AI translation. The title says it's a walking tour, but in fact it's a big bus ride around the city, and then there are walking tours of certain attractions. It's not bad, just different from what you imagine. The tour guide Christopher was very good at explaining, especially when we were at Vigeland Sculpture Park. I am very grateful to him. Get to know Oslo on a panoramic tour that introduces Norway's capital through its most renowned landmarks. Visit the Oslo City Hall, famously known as the venue for the Nobel Peace Prize ceremony each year, and stroll through the unique sculpture park, featuring over 200 bronze and granite pieces by the celebrated sculptor Gustav Vigeland. The tour also includes a scenic stop at the Holmenkollen ski jump, providing incredible photo opportunities and sweeping views of the city. With a knowledgeable guide offering insights into Oslo's history and culture, this experience captures the essence of Norway's architecture, art, and scenic charm in a brief yet memorable outing.